is Sylvia. Welcome back to my channel. Excuse me. So today I wanted to share with you another purchase from Peachy Peach from Instagram. I actually ordered the Say Cheese 3 from Simple Stories, and this came with a paper pad with a whole bunch of cards and ephemera and then some chipboard. So this is the paper pad. It's 6x8 and it is double-sided, and it comes with all the ones that are here. I'll do a quick flip through. I know in the past I've done it where I do the flip through and they all start coming off. I don't know why. I don't know if they've been, I don't know. I don't know. But it's okay because I'm still gonna use it, and I'm still able to keep it together in the setup that I have. Yeah, you see they all literally they came off. I don't know why. Maybe I should go ahead and just do this, and then that way you guys can see. And then it's pretty much repeating, so it looks like there might be some that are, there's 2 of each one, it looks like. So I'm entering a giveaway that Craft Purge is doing on her YouTube channel. I've been following her for a long time, so she has something where you create something from whatever you have. And then so here is this, these are the snap packs. Usually the snap packs are ephemera, small cards, like 3x3 cards, and then all the way up to 4x4, 4x6. So this has 121 pieces. The cards are double-sided. There's 121 pieces, 18 4x6, 36 3x4s, 12 4x4s, and 24 2x2s. And then 31 bits and pieces, what they call. So I'm just gonna kind of show you this, because then otherwise I'll be here forever trying to open up the pack. I'm sorry about the glare, but that's how they come. They come like this, and there's a lot. And I said I also got the chipboard. Oh, this one fell back here. I don't know what picture it is, but these are the chipboards. So these are pretty large. And these usually you have to, I don't know if they have glue on them already, like sticker type, or if you have to peel it yourself. I mean, glue yourself, I don't know. I'm not very familiar with the chipboards. But these are the ones that come in this. She is, like I said, doing, it's Craft Purge. I always want to say Crafty Purge. But she's doing a giveaway. What she's asking everybody to do is do a 12x12 sheet. For her to put in her photo albums for any type. She's saying that she wants variety, so it just has to be for her to be able to add pictures, and maybe somewhere to put a note of the picture, description of the picture. So like I said, I'll link her in the description box. But that's the reason why I bought this, because I already had the Echo Park set that comes that's kind of similar to this one. And that's the reason why I was trying to look for it, but I don't have the front page here for me to show you. But that's why I bought this. But anyway, this is from Peachy Peach. I follow them on Instagram, and they have daily deals that are at discounted price. So if you're interested, head on over there. I'll also link them in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.